In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 1099 NEC on H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to switch over to Federal up here, and then you want to go through your info. So basically just put everything in here and complete everything until you can see this green check mark over here, and it's going to take you automatically into the Income tab, which is the second one. Now here, if you want to add a 1099 NEC, first you want to complete a few questions at the beginning, and when you do that, you'll basically eventually come to this point where it's going to say either your income is looking a little empty and you want to click on add another income type, or you want to click, or you basically will come to this one where it says how did you earn money last year. So either of those two. Now when you see that, go to the bottom, and then here you can basically type in to search for a form. So you want to simply click on here, and then you want to type in 1099-NEC, and then there we go. As you can see, it's over here. You can just click on plus add, and then you can click on go there, and it's going to take you over here to this type of income. You can just click on it over here, and as you can see, the source is 1099 NEC, and you can go ahead and add other income over here, and that way of course you can go ahead and add that. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.